Let's chat about that video a little more. I want to show you two additional data points. On the left are jobs that didn't even exist 10 years ago. Due to the rapid changes in technology and the innovations that are happening, the job force is changing so quickly. In fact, in 2016, 65% of primary school children, that's elementary age, are preparing and ending up in jobs that don't even exist yet. So, what does that mean for you now as you prepare through high school? Maybe you're a senior and you're going out into the job force, or you're going to college and university. Well, that means that while knowledge is always important, we certainly don't want a doctor that doesn't know anything about biology. But even more important is what you can do with that knowledge. What are your skill set that you're bringing to your job? And in the video, they mentioned a lot of different skills, interpersonal skills. That sounds like self-management skills to me. Learning skills, things like goal setting. We do that a lot in like our IB projects, question asking, creative and critical thinking. Those are all ATL skills or IB approaches to learning skills. And we talk about them a lot at Seneca because they are so important. We want to make sure that no matter where you end up, and that might be a job that isn't even invented yet, that you have a deep skilled toolkit that you can bring with you. And so a lot of students will say, okay, bio is my background. Why do I need to know bio? I don't want to go into that. Okay, I would argue it's important to know a little bit of content knowledge about bio, but it's really important to understand the skills that go into being a scientist, right? Data analysis, communication skills, critical thinking skills, creative thinking skills. So those are the things that you're practicing and you're learning as well as content through all of your classes. And so we encourage you to keep building those skill sets. Choose to be challenged as you think about your course registrations, because no matter where you're going, I don't care, college, university, straight to the workforce, you're going to an internship, you're going to need a skill set. And you might not always know what that skill set is because your job might still be being invented. So bringing it all together for these course information days, couple takeaways. Take advantage of this week to learn about your course options. Ask questions, share your long-term goals with your teachers so they can guide you through your choices. Remember your goals, your steps to get there, and what you can control. You can control what classes you choose to take. You can control how hard you choose to work in those classes. You can control asking questions and going in for extra help. So keep those in the back of your mind. And then keep in mind what colleges and employers are looking for. That part of what you're doing is taking advantage of opportunities here at Seneca and building your skills toolkit. So that if you go into HVAC, that you have the skills to one day run that company. Or if you decide you don't like it, you've got the skills to transfer, or if your job changes over time. And at the end of our messaging is choose to be challenged here at Seneca Valley. Before you go, I want you to take a couple minutes at the end of this SEL and just figure out what things do you want to keep in mind as you register for classes. And then if you're a current 9th and 10th grader, the last page in your packet asks about your interest in some of our programs here. If you'll fill that out and turn it into your teacher, they're going to put it in the mailroom in a box, and we're going to go through those and make sure that we have a list of interested students to ensure that we are providing enough information to help you make an informed choice. And then lastly, do not lose your registration card. You will get it in your Lit and Lang class today. Take a picture of it. Hang on to it all week as you make notes about what classes you're interested. Bring it home and discuss it with your parent and guardian, and have a great Monday and a great rest of the course information week.